This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need iOS/iPadOS with Memoji support and FaceTime active. Once done, start or answer a FaceTime call. Tap the effects star icon in the bottom left to reveal AR options, then tap Memoji. Choose an existing Memoji to overlay on your face. This applies real-time tracking so your expressions map to the avatar. Make sure your camera is enabled and unobstructed, otherwise tracking will be inconsistent. Using the Memoji immediately shows how your face drives the animated expressions. Once you've applied a Memoji, you can customize it. Tap the plus to create or edit to tweak features like skin, hair, and expressions. Make changes because a closer match improves social cues and reduces distracting mismatches. To change mid-call, reopen effects and pick another Memoji or switch to filters and stickers. Transitions are instantaneous. If you're in group FaceTime, each person separately toggles their Memoji. Remember that complex backgrounds or poor lighting reduce tracking fidelity, so adjust lighting for better performance. To stop using Memoji, tap Effects again and choose None or disable the avatar. Once removed, your normal camera feed returns. You can capture live photos during FaceTime with Memoji applied, so consider saving a frame for reference. If the Memoji isn't tracking, make sure the front camera isn't covered and lighting is even. Restart the FaceTime call or the app if needed. As a key troubleshooting tip, verify camera access in Settings and toggle FaceTime off and on to reset permissions and tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.